Fred, overnight stock market futures took a major hit, but after a slight slip this morning, stocks are now looking better. The Dow is recovered and is up over 174 points right now. CBS 2's Magdalena Doris is on Wall Street with the very latest on the trading atmosphere there. Maggie?
Good afternoon, Chris. Yes, those major concerns sent the stock market futures plummeting, but the fear and the fall leveled out very quickly this afternoon. The stock market has evened out. We have a decision, a new leader of the free world. The stock market, though, opened with uncertainty, ever changing throughout the morning.
A lot of trading. I'm not one to say what's going to happen, but it's a very busy time.
We're really in uncharted territory right now.
As Donald Trump gained momentum in the polls, investors lost confidence overnight. Doubts about the future of America's economy fueled a drop in market futures.
The markets don't like uncertainty, from trade to immigration to taxes. And that's really the question mark that's hanging over the markets right now.
Typically, major changes and shifts in power cause a stir. When the Brexit vote came down in Britain, the Dow fell 610 points. At one point last night, futures dropped 800 points.
Look what happened after the election in Colombia, after Brexit. Big kick, and then things settle out. I have no idea what's going to happen, and no one knows.
The Nasdaq and S&P futures dropped to the limit, down 5%. International markets also felt the impact. Nikkei and Hang Seng both took a hit. The Mexican peso fell to record lows. Gold prices, on the other hand, surged. Those who work on Wall Street ever confident that what goes down must come up.
In the short term, there can be a massive amount of volatility, and it can sort of lure you into wanting to do something, right? You feel so anxious. And the reality is, sitting still is probably the very best bet. Presumably, you've entered this period as a long-term investor. You've got some stocks, you've got some bonds, you've got some cash. Messing with that portfolio today really could cost you money in the future. So try to prevent yourself from doing anything. Stick to what got you here, and no knee-jerk reactions. I think you'll be better off for that.
Now, of course, stocks on the rebound at this hour. Trump promised a boost in industry, and construction equipment stocks are on the rise. Pharmaceuticals also rising, no longer predicting a price cap on medicine from a possible Clinton presidency. Live in the financial district, Magdalena Doris, CBS 2 News.
Maggie, thank you.